In order to improve the incomes and well-being of rural women in Haiti, the Mothers Club of the nonprofit Haiti Outreach, HOPE, is developing a small business that will use currently wasted agricultural products to make organic soap. Our job was to find a way to make raw avocados and coconuts and turn them into organic soap.
To solve this problem, we sourced a continuous screw press driven by a hand crank. To make it more ergonomic, we converted it to a pedal drive system using parts from a bike. We named the finished system Pete, and by golly, it all worked and Pete made oil.
The solution enables us to run dehydrated avocado and coconut mash through peat to extract oil. The soap is created by combining a water and lime mixture with the oil through a chemical process called saponification. The soap takes 24 hours to form and 14 days to cure. Once this process is complete, the soap is ready to be sold in Haiti.
Our next steps are to ship peat and documentation with clear instructions on how to build and operate our system to convert raw avocados and coconuts into organic soap. This will go to the Mothers Club nonprofit Haiti Outreach, or HOPE. This effort will help improve the livelihood and well-being of rural women in Bourg, Haiti.